We have 5 children of our own, so 4 by birth and 1 by adoption.
We are grandparents of one young lady, but we're not going to sit around and wait to be grandparents. We still have more love to give. We also have, we think, enough parenting skills to throw our head in the ring.
One of our first placements was a sibling group of 3 sisters, and they stayed with us for 19 months.
What's really nice is to see the sincere appreciation that their mother has for us.
We certainly couldn't have done it without that kind of partner in the birth mom.
It is about trying to put families back together again whenever possible.
It might be nice for the children to remember us. What's more important is that they remember the things we taught them, that they remember to be self-confident, they remember that they're loved, and that they can do whatever they want to do in life.
Fostering is an investment. It's an investment into other people's lives, but it's also an investment into your own personhood. Your heart grows immensely when you love someone else.
Even if you only foster, 1 child or 1 placement, you've made a difference in someone's life. We've just felt like a blessed, happy family to have these children.